Alright, so as promised, we will be um, making use of yung mga tira-tira natin ng mga food, fruits, and mga ingredients from New Year. Lahat tayo may prutas, right? So, ang importante, like this one, hindi ako masyadong fruit eater, but I love eating mga desserts. So, ang naisip ko, gumawa ng apple pie. And we will make use of yung mga tira natin or hindi nagamit na fruits from New Year. Right? Siyempre pa 12 round fruits. Kasama siya ng, for sure kasama ang apple, right? So, yan ang ating goal today. We will be making a simple, easy, yan na, as usual, ang ating goal, even for this year, would be easy to follow steps sa ating kitchen. Alright? So, let's start cooking for this year, mga ka-kitchen, apple pie. Okay, let's start. So, we'll be using 3 cups of your flour. 3 cups. Make sure I'm sorry. 1, 2, 'Sa baking, ito lang medyo hindi ko type, yung madumi siya, like, you always see a lot of powder sa paligid nyo. Diba? Di pansin nyo? O ako lang ba yun? 3. That's 3 cups of flour. Right? And then half a teaspoon of salt. Boom. Okay. Okay, and then make a well in the bottom. Put the egg. Okay. And then we use lang 10 tablespoon of milk. Okay. Eyeball na lang natin, okay? Wait, let me fix myself. Ang gulo ko. And then, just mix. Alright, and then we add the butter. Okay. So, ano ba tawag dito? This is the, I forgot. Ilalagay ko yung tawag dito. Nakalimutan ko tawag dito eh. You just mashed it along with your powder mixture. Okay? Until it becomes a ball. Alright guys, so slowly after na manid nyo or mamasa nyo siya, it will become a ball like this. So keep on doing it until it becomes medyo pino or mas pulido, mas bilog siya, right? So just keep on kneading or keep on masa talaga. Just continue na imasa nyo siya until maging bilog. Guys, so this is how it looks like now. It's now a ball. So continue mo siya i-knead lang or imasa until mga 5 to 7 minutes and then let it rest for 30 minutes to an hour. And then cover it lang with a cling wrap. And then we will continue with making the apple pie mixture. Alright, so we now rest the dough for 30 minutes to an hour inside the ref. Okay, baba lang. And then you close it. Alright, and then we start peeling the apples. Okay, make sure you wipe them bago nyo i-peel. We then start with the apple pie filling. Okay, so for the ingredients, nakalist naman sila sa baba natin for the complete measurement. So, but for this part, this is the part B. Okay, so we have the apple, the sliced apple, butter, and sugar. Oh, of course, we're gonna use also the cinnamon. Okay, this is what we're using, cinnamon. And optional lang naman siya is a lemon zest. Okay, we start by melting the butter. That's the butter we're using. Melt nyo lang siya. Okay. And while it's melting, you can now add the apple. Okay. Napakadali lang niyang gawin, guys. So it's just mixing. Alright, so when melt na ang butter, you can now add cinnamon. Right? Sprinkle nyo lang yung cinnamon sa taas. There. And mix it. Alright, we check in. So, ito itsura niya ngayon. So, di pa to ready. Around mga 5 minutes pa. Make sure nang na mag-melt siya. O mag-melt. Parang maging brownish yung apple nyo. Hindi siya whitish or yellowish. Makikita nyo siya magba-brown siya, dark brown. Yon, makalaman nyo na ready na siya. You don't want it crunchy. You want it mushy. Okay? And then, around 3 minutes, mag-scrub lang tayo ng a bit of, kung kaya ko, kung ayaw niya ma-scrub. Okay? Yan, there. Lemon zest. Konti lang. Alright, so, when it's already like this, it means it's ready. Let it cool down. So, we start assembling the pie. Okay? By the way, guys, make sure yung pie nyo is already cool before you work on it. Diba? Kasi, one is, papapasok kayo. Pangalawa is, it's gonna melt or it's gonna make your pie or dough melt kapag mainit siya masyado, right? Alright, so this is the first half of the dough. Hinati natin sa gitna para it's easier to work on it. Okay, flatten it out. This is how thin you want it, and then we will bake it or we will cut it. Ito yung na-decide ko na size niya later. Okay. And then, flatten it well. There. And assemble. Okay. Lagyan nyo lang dito yung apple pie filling. Bandang gitna. Okay. Don't overdo it kasi baka mahirapan kayong i-seal. Okay. You leave mga half inch doon sa mga gilid kasi that's how we're gonna seal it later. Okay, so there, and then you fold it like that, seal the edges. And that's one apple pie. Okay, we're gonna make more. Alright, so this is the last pie that we have. Let's just seal it. And then, before we put it in the oven, we need to put 2 small holes there para hindi siya lumobo later sa loob ng oven. Okay? Alright, and then we place it sa oven. Set ko muna siya sa 200. 30 minutes. Medyo every 10 minutes silipin siya. And then for the first half, siguro after 15 minutes, punasan natin siya ng egg white. Okay? Egg wash rather. And this is how it looks like. Hango lang natin. We just have it taken out from the oven. So that's around 20 minutes under 200 degrees in it. Okay? And that is our apple pie using mga leftover na fruits from New Year and some ingredients from our kitchen na available naman most of the time. Okay? Happy New Year! Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!